In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Squarespace. Simple update. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to make sure your upload is saved and visible on your site. Start by opening your Squarespace website in the editor so you're on the page you want to update. Make sure you're in editing mode. You should see the page outline and controls along the edges. If you're not, switch into Edit so the on-page buttons appear. Next, add a new area where your file or image will live. Click the Add Section button on the page. This opens the section Library. Choose Add Blank. A blank section gives you a clean canvas and avoids pulling in extra design elements you don't need. You'll see an empty section drop onto the page. Inside that new section, click Add Block. This opens the block picker, where you can choose what kind of content to insert. Select the Image block. Even if you're uploading a file, the image block is a quick and reliable way to upload and host media inside Squarespace, and it also gives you simple layout and design controls. You'll see an image placeholder appear. Click the highlighted area on the placeholder to open the image editor. If you see an Edit or Replace icon, click that highlighted control as well. That brings up the panel where you can add your file. Now click Upload File. Choose the file from your computer and confirm. Give it a moment to process. Larger files may take a bit longer. A quick tip here: keep file names simple and use web-friendly formats. For images, JPG and PNG work well, and keeping dimensions optimized will help your page load faster. If you need to swap the asset or add a different version, click the highlighted Replace or Upload control again, then click Upload File once more and select the new file. This is handy if you picked the wrong file the first time or you've exported an updated graphic. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. Be sure you're saving the page, not just closing the editor. Wait for the saving indicator to finish so everything publishes correctly. If you'd like, you can also add a caption or alt text in the image settings to improve accessibility and context, but the core upload is complete at this point. That's it. You opened your site, added a blank section, inserted an image block, used Upload File to add your asset, and then saved your changes. Follow these same steps anywhere on your